This morning, the last thing she said to me, Daddy, pass me school shoes. She not even said Daddy, she said that. Pass me school shoes, you know. Right? I just imagine when she feel the first shot this morning, she must have said to herself, Daddy kill me now.
Bless up my viewers and subscribers. You don't know, so they attacking boss, they are New Link from New Link Production. And I mean say attack. So my viewers and my subscribers, right now, we still there, my people. I mourn the loss of this teacher. You understand, my people? Yeah, man, we still are mourning people. And now when we say 2 pictures sent to my viewers and subscribers in, and first picture, them say, yo, New Link, this is one of the youth them who they on the bike who comes a boom. You understand? And go slap with the teacher, allegedly. You understand? Them say him are one of them people. You understand? Because remember, you know, them say 2 men rode up on the bike people while the teacher go enter for go in at the school and comes a boom, zine, and beat it up on her over 7 to her body, my people. Then another picture sent to my viewers and subscribers, and them say, New Link, this is the person who is the ex, you understand, who is the stalker, who is the abusive man, who is the beater man, who is the one who always cause problem in the teacher life. Jaja sees, Jaja knows. Attack them, New Link. And you see the pictures, them people, these are the persons who them say allegedly, you understand, in between the whole grips and the whole thing, oh, forget out the teacher, my people. And then article sent to the attacking boss people, and it's about where they must say, yo, the teacher was in a very abusive relationship with this thing, my people. Always a beat her up and them something, the people, you know what I mean? And ladies, boy, I know son walk away because teacher walk away, people. Teacher move away, but this something of people was a stalker, was somebody who always making problems. You understand? Him don't want to leave the teacher alone until I see where it reach people. Him do set up and take out our 3 points. Yes, it's the one who call the shots, people. It's the one who send the hits. No joke about it. So let me just read this thing, and now my viewers and subscribers, and let me go through this. Jaja sees, Jaja knows. Murdered teacher was in abusive relationship. Chanel Simmet, the St. Elizabeth teacher who was murdered at her school gate yesterday, was a victim of domestic violence, her father said. So remember, you know, people, how this gruesome incident, you know, people, you understand, took place in Jamaica and Tuesday, my people. Oh my world, oh my precious New Link. What a cruel at New Link. What a wicked at New Link. Right on Tuesday, the 7th of December, them take out the teacher life. Smith, 28, was shot and killed outside the Sandy Bank Infant School in St. Elizabeth by one of 2 men who opened fire at her as she was about to enter the schoolyard. Her father, Vernon Smith, said that the young woman has been going through hell since 2019. He claimed that she was threatened on several occasions by an ex-boyfriend who assaulted her on at least 1 occasion. I remembered one night the family was at home and we hear like rustling coming from upstairs, and me hear when my daughter said, "Leg on me throat," the distraught father said yesterday. When I got up there, I saw the guy and I said, "What are you doing here in my house?" Question. He turned and asked me, "How you getting at this?" And I told him to get out of my house or else. Smith said that after a heated exchange between himself and the man, the abusive partner left. The father said that he and his daughter reported the matter to the Treasure Beach police station. He told news that his daughter, a past student of Bethlehem Moravian College, suffered in silence for a while before opening up to him about what she was facing. He said that on 1 occasion, the ex-boyfriend went onto school compound where his daughter worked, grabbed her by the throat and attempted to choke her. Chaja. Them called me and I called the police. So the police went up there and warned him, Smith said. Up to press time yesterday, the police had not yet disclosed a motive for the killing. In addition, there is no indication that yesterday's deadly attack is linked to the abusive relationship that she endured. As investigations continue, the St. Elizabeth police have listed a Manchester man as a person of interest. The police said that he frequents Royal Flat and Christiana in Manchester. While the police moved to solve the Enos murder, which is the 21st in the parish since the start of the year, the grieving father is calling on the government to impose stiffer penalties against criminals. I can just imagine when she feel the first shot and she must have been saying, "Is this real? Is this real? The problem I am having, Jamaica has no justice system to correct the problems," Smith said. when you are caught with an illegal firearm, put 50 years upon it. And when you commit murder, put you away forever. Nobody with no lawyer. And not do this, and not do that, and not indicum. Just put them away. The father said. Jaja sees, Jaja knows attacking boss. New link, my people, my viewers and subscribers. And you hear what the father saying at the last, people. You catch a man with an illegal piece, put him away for 50 years. Can't blame him, can't wrong, my people. Zane, and you commit something, people, put you away forever. But I wish him could have said, your people, give them the penalty, bring in the penalty and cut them down. You know what I mean? But my people, right now, my viewers and subscribers, a lot of women I go through them something here. Abuse every day, arrears every day. You know what I mean? Over more than one. You get me? A lot of them being warned, a lot of them see the signs, see the threats, you know, and they just reach to the point where they do lose their life, people. And some man, some sin thing just can't leave woman alone. You know? When they have a relationship, things that work out, people decide to go them ways. Them just feel, say, you know what, me fi have this person forever. This person not fi move on, not fi talk to nobody else. I must still have full control. What kind of man you be? You really a man? Honestly, you really a man? You never think about fi move on. You just want, you get, yo, this world is so crazy, you know, people. It's so crazy, man. And I can tell my viewers and subscribers, see, them say the teacher got through a lot she go through. Sometimes she just keep silent. She not talk. Zine, sometimes she forgot school, people. She not even can go my viewers and subscribe because I me a butter bruise and them something the people. Choke full of mark and full of scrape and them something from fingernail. You know what I mean? This is what the boy do. Imagine being in a relationship, people, as a teacher, teaching at a school where student is and fellow teachers are people, and you talking to somebody in a relationship, people, and they will find themselves on the compound, the school compound, people, where you teach and angle a certain way. Honestly, these are persons who, yo, I'm telling them, people, and there's a, as I say, people, there's a lot of female in Jamaica, across the Caribbean and other countries that's going through the same thing. See? And we see the signs, as I tell people, we see it more than once, and we just feel to take heed. You know, we try to help sometime, you know. You try to help a situation, you may talk, and these persons, because of love and this obsession, it does trick them and make their mind so confused. Yeah, reality, it's confused because them see the sign, people, and you will say, yo, you know, leave it, and they say, yes, I'm done, I'm finished. Two toes them avoid the person, then the person may just come and start crying like a baby. Yo, baby, I'm sorry, baby. Just says me sorry, me don't know what me do, what the mistake me make. You know what I mean? And she have this soft heart inside, people, which forgiveness does come. And she gone back to it. Two toes, it again. Blap, slap in her face, choke, start squeeze one bag of something, grab here, this, fling this, or dash this up. You get what I'm saying, my people? It is happening, man. Zane? So it just crazy for know people, and for know I'm seeing where so much love pouring out for the teacher, people, and that is why I have to really do this vlog again. So up to press time, people, news has reached the attacking boss that a person is in custody pertaining. You understand? Because remember, the police did list a person of interest, the same person you hear about in the article, people. So he's in custody right now, and some information are coming to the police them. You know what I mean? I cannot really disclose these information, but yeah, there's a lot of good information that come to the police them while they're still conducting deeper press, because this is a plan thing what them plan out, you know, people. Them sit money pay off on these people, and you get what I'm saying? If you just get rid of somebody like that, somebody they want to move on, they finish, they done, and you just decide say a person can't continue to live without you. You must always be there, that abusive one taking control, you know? Yeah, because you bring her up on earth, you're the one who created her, you are the creator, not true. I see you feeling yourself, attack for you. What you feel like, Yo, actually, you even know same thing, piece of same thing. Oh my world, oh my precious New Link. Take out the man data. Take out the man data. The man a wait for seeing data for Christmas. In Christmas right around the corner for spend some time with the family, chill and relax. And this is what you have done. Destroy the people and family. And the system we got in Jamaica is so corruptive. You gotta tell the man them about this and get that and get that. Then you say two toes. Jaja sees, Jaja knows. Rest in peace again, teach. And to the father and other family members, my condolences, and to everyone who are mourned the loss, you understand, of this teacher. May her soul rest in peace again, and my condolences again. So my people, big up on yourself, stay safe. You know what I mean? And we notice some man go through in the same thing too. Because they go same way. You have some women who are very abusive as well. Saying same thing, same way of people. But this story, as I say, is based on the fact where a female is the victim in this one. You know what I mean? A teacher. So, big up on yourself. Remember to like, do share, do comment, and do subscribe. Follow me on Instagram and Facebook, Twitter, New Link Production, official Attacking Boss. Peace, love, respect my people. Be good, be great, and be safe. Rest in peace again, teach. I'm out.